Durud. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel Speak Persian Now. So I'm going to continue with the Persian letter tracing. We have already covered I believe 3 lessons on this. So this is going to be the next one. So here we have got the sound, the letter is sad, is called sad, but the sound is se. And this is the big one and the small se. The next one that I'm going to cover is zad, or the sound z. This is the big one, this is the small one. Okay, so you might say it rings a bell. We had already had the sound se and z. Yes, you are absolutely right. For example, this is se sound, and this is also se sound, but we use them to write different words with different meanings in Persian. And also with z sound, yes, you are right. You are right. We have already two other forms. This is z, and this is also another z. Yeah, you are right. You are right. It is a little bit confusing. It is getting more confusing. I know that. But guys, don't worry. By the passage of time, you're going to learn the differences with the videos that I'm going to make in future. So take it easy. Just concentrate on how to write, because writing is very, very important. So here uh, we have got the sound se, the letter sa. So don't confuse them. So in Persian, it is called, the letter is called sad, but the sound is se. So let's see how we write it. So as you might see, you start on the baseline, the red line. So from right to left we write, if you haven't forgotten this. So I might say you may make a small loop, and then like this. So my loop is not a very nice one, but okay, you can start from here. From here you make something like this, and little straight. So you should try to connect this loop, okay, and this semicircle together. You see this loop here and this let's say form. So I might do it like this. Another try. So this is seen, not beautiful. So a little, okay, the loop. So start from here, and do it like this. Okay, again, if you follow the examples here, if you start from here, the loop starts from here, then you continue. So you don't need to you should write it in one movement. I mean, you can just start again from the baseline like this, and here. So this is seen. And what about a small one? Again from here. So you have to write this, like it's a kind of drawing. If you're good at drawing, you can write Persian. So let me see from here, and okay, there's this. So you start from here, and then you make a kind of loop. Then you have got a very short vertical line, and then again you continue. So let's go to Zad, or Z sound. The same format, just it has got one dot above it. So hopefully I can do it better like this and like this with the dot here. Yep. So one more try. So this one was much better. Yes, as you see, practice makes perfect. And let me write the small one, So okay, it is just the same with extra, one extra. Sorry, it wasn't as good as the first one. So you start from here, continue like this, go up and this. So okay, this is the connected one. So these letters that you can see, like this Z, the big one, and this the big one, they are used alone. So if we want to connect them to other words, we need to use the small forms or the connected forms. So one more time, we start from here and voila, yeah, and C or Z. Good. Let me go and do this as well. Okay, the next letters are ta and za, or the sound t and z. As you might remember, we had this t, and this is the next z that you see. Yes, this is I think the fourth one. Yeah, if you know we can. So we have the first form of z sound. So this is z. This is z. This is another z with the different forms, and this is the last form of z that you can see. So let's practice these as well. So this t sound, how do you write it? You might look, this loop is the same as this loop we had here. So you have to draw the loop and bring one line up to here. So you start above the line, the best line. So something like this. By the way, be careful. So you need to draw this loop carefully and then put one vertical line above it. So one more time like this and this. Okay. And fortunately, writing Z, this form of Z is very simple because you just add the dot. So if you add the dot, it becomes Z sound. So one more time, se and se, the connected form, z and z, the connected form, and te and z. Okay, guys, so try to practice them. I'm sure those who love Persian language, they would do their best. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.